Google played up AI features a lot during its launch event for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro earlier this month, but if a new rumor is to be believed, those devices' iSmarts will soon be one-upped by none other than Samsung. According to this yet unconfirmed rumor, the Korean company's upcoming Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the smartest AI phones ever, clearly ahead of what even the Pixels have to offer. The S24 series will allegedly have features very reminiscent of ChatGPT and Google's own Bard, such as the ability to create content and stories based on a few keywords you provide. Samsung has also designed some additional AI features like text-to-image generative AI, which it already talked about during the announcement of the Exynos 2400 chipset, which will be powering the S24 series in some markets. Speech-to-text will be improved with AI too. The source of this report boldly claims Bixby, yes, Bixby, will have more human-like and smarter conversations with you. Breaking news. Bixby is still a thing and apparently will become a much bigger thing as it incorporates AI this and AI that in the future. The S24 family is currently rumored to be made official at some point in January. Peace out.